Hello, my friends. We're doing the one-day reading for the S&P 500 for the day of Tuesday, December 14th, 2021. The current date and time is December 1st, 2021, 11:43 p.m. So the overall theme, another big sharp decline card, guys, through multiple support levels. A trade opportunity or an opportunity to take profits right around the open. Before I get into that, so the strife card, the highs are going to be, they're going to be, the highs are going to be like peaks bumping up against resistance on the way down the decline. So like, generally speaking, it'll be like, the strife card is like when you're on a down, when there's a downtrend and you have the price level bumping up against some of the moving averages, which are working as resistance, and then it falls again, and then it's going down, but it bumps up against moving averages, falls more, bumps up against them, falls more, that type of thing. So that's the strife card. That's what the highs will look like, the low card is the star card. It's generally speaking, it's a sharp push to the upside, like a really, really auspicious card, but it's also canceled out and it's in the low position. Could be a like a morning star, possibly. Remains to be seen, but it's a sharp decline day. In the pre-market, we have a move higher along a diagonal trend line to break through resistance, and we had a second resistance level before pulling back a little bit. And there's an opportunity to take some profits there, possibly right around the open is that sharp decline. There's a piece of like a significant decline right around the open, which also presents a trade opportunity to cash in or to roll positions, open new positions. It's a pretty wild card. Trade opportunity in the first half hour, a trade opportunity between the open and 11:15. And the trade opportunity is going to be to open up long positions during a sharp decline. So with that said, it looks like that sharp decline is going to come from when we hit that second resistance level. After breaking through the first along a diagonal, we hit that second resistance level and then pull back. Sharp decline right around the open. Looks to me like there's two equal and opposite moves that cancel each other out in the first half hour, roughly, or within the first 2 hours, roughly. And then there's that push higher out of the decline, out of a courageous move higher out of a decline that takes place between roughly 10 and let's say 11:15ish. Right around 11:05, we are going to bump up against a resistance level, and that's an opportunity to open some protection. We have some fluidity moving sideways into noontime, where that fluidity then becomes more price swings and a sharp decline possibly within those wild price swings. A trade opportunity right there around 1 o'clock, followed by by profit taking from a peak or crest that forms between so there's a peak or crest and some overbought territory in the RSI, and selling from that between 1 and 2 o'clock, and then it looks like we have a push higher out of that, and a day's high correlator there in the 2 to 3:15ish range, with a bit of a rally there out of it, a possible low, but then there's a sharp decline in the last half hour, the last 45 minutes through multiple support levels. Another trade opportunity there right at the close, but there's also the prudence card. And then there's the indolence card in the pre-market. So prudence card says, false bottoms, false tops, multiple false bottoms, multiple false tops in most cases, but it could also be it's probably both in this case, like a fake out of some sort, intentional fake out of some sort. And then we have the indolence card in the post market, which you don't see. If it's from indolence card is a decline through multiple support levels that follows shortly after a peak is formed. That price level won't be revisited within the time frame of the reading that indolence card shows up in. Yeah, significant trade opportunity right around the open. More trade opportunity between the open and 11:15. Trade opportunity around the 12:45-ish time frame, and more trade opportunity between at that crest roughly around that crest that forms around the overbought territory between roughly 2 and 3:15-ish. That's an opportunity to open some short positions or open some puts. And then we have the trade opportunity in the midst of a deep decline right around the last hour and the close and into the post market. Yeah, so it looks like we probably bump up against that resistance around 11:05, possibly again around the 12:45 mark, but then again between 2 and 3:15-ish. Following the sneak preview card for the following day, which would be the 15th of December 2021. It's highlighted by the Emperor. So a male ruler of nations will be in the highlight for tomorrow, or for the 15th, I should say. With that said, guys, I know this is helping people out. I love doing this. I love to see comments and people tell me how this has been helping them. Let me know what's going on. Let me know how you're doing. If you came up with some cool strategies, love to hear about them. If you want to hear some of my strategies, let me know. Tell me what you want to hear. Tell me what you like to see, and we'll get it out there, guys. Thanks for the support, and like, subscribe, comment, share. You give and you shall receive, my friends. I'll see you all tomorrow.